So there's going to be 3 employee tax forms that you're going to have to fill and file every single year. You're going to have, number 1 is going to be your Form 941. Number 2 is going to be Form 940. And the third one is going to be a W-2. So what is 941? Form 941 is essentially your quarterly tax filing. It's your employer taxes. So that way, and this is all ran through your payroll software. Permitting you're using payroll software, so it makes everything a lot easier now. But it's essentially what you're paying the IRS, right? Form 940 is going to have to do with the federal unemployment tax that you're going to have to pay. So that's generally going to be 6% on the first $7,000 in wages for the year for any employees. And so that's what that form has to deal with. And then W-2 is essentially going to be a document that you have to get to any employee that works for you in the previous year. You have to get it to them by in January, and it lays out all the compensation that they earned through salary, bonuses, commissions, etc. And all of that is going to be able to be processed inside of whatever payroll software that you use.